Hi viewers, welcome back to AVP Properties Hyderabad YouTube channel. You are watching 4 BHK model flat with interior fully furnished flat. Project name GS Infinity by Casagrand. This project situated in Attapur pillar number 102. This project spread across 4.8 acres, 3 towers, G plus 35 floors. Exclusive 3 and 4 BHK apartments. Starting range 2386 square feet to 3917 square feet. Total 405 apartments. Budget range starts from the 1 crore 90 lakhs to up to 3 crore 15 lakhs, and also 40,000 square feet clubhouse with G plus 5 floors, 3.8 acres of open land. This project handover by 2028 December, and also close to Charminar, Golconda Airport, Rajendra Nagar, Gachibowli, Banjara Hills, close to MGBS bus stand and PVNR Express Highway. It is very close to all corporate hospitals, schools, malls, and hotels, and your daily needs will get all kind of transports, and also close to IT hub, high-tech city, and Gachibowli financial district. Casagrand is a Chennai-based company, recently started in Hyderabad. Almost 4 projects ongoing now. 20 years old company. It is operating major cities Coimbatore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Dubai, Pune, Delhi. As of now, 160 projects completed and total 55,000 happy customers, 53 plus millions square feet constructed. This is the company portfolio. If you are really interested for this project, please contact and display number for more details to schedule your site visit. If you are watching first time AVP Properties YouTube channel, please subscribe our channel, like and share your friends and family members. Click bell icon, you'll get notification future videos. Thank you so much. Bye.